All right, so within that second worksheet, first of all, let's quickly review the quadrants of a coordinate plane. This is quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember this for this part of the lesson. So with this, we have an inequality in standard form. Remember, when we're dealing with equations and inequalities in standard form, we need to find the x and the y-intercept. So to find the x-intercept, we're going to substitute y for 0 and solve for x. So that's gone, giving us negative 3x equals negative 15. Divide both sides by 3 to solve for x, and our x-intercept is 5. All right, to get the y-intercept, you substitute x for 0 and solve for y. So that's gone, and that's going to give you 5y equals negative 15. Divide both sides by 5 to solve for y, and the y-intercept is negative 3. So to do what you need to do next is sketch it. You don't have to necessarily use graph paper, just sketch it. Since x is 5, our x-intercept is 5, I'm going to plot that here. Our y-intercept is negative 3, I'm going to plot that here. Our inequality symbol is not underlined, so that means we need to draw a dotted line through our points. Next, we need to determine what side to shade based on the testing point 0, 0. When we substitute x and y for 0, our statement is going to be 0 is greater than negative 15. Remember that 0 is greater than any negative number. With that being said, this is a true statement, so we're going to shade the side that includes the testing point 0, 0. So that's all of this being shaded here. Now on that worksheet, it's going to ask you to circle all the quadrants that includes the solution for a given inequality. With this, we have solutions in quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you will circle all quadrants on that worksheet for a problem like this. On your worksheet, I'm going to do number 1. You have 2x minus y is greater than 4. So as we've done before, we need to find the x and the y-intercept. All right, our x-intercept is 2, our y-intercept is negative 4. Sketch your graph. We have our x-intercept, our y-intercept. We have a dotted line because our inequality symbol is not underlined. Now we're using our testing point 0, 0 to see what side to shade. We're going to get 0 is greater than 4. That's false, so we're going to shade the side that does not include the testing point. So that's this area right here. We see that the solutions are in quadrant 1, not in 2, 3, and 4. So you will circle 1, 3, and 4 for number 1 on your worksheet. I need you to follow that same procedure for the rest of the problems on that worksheet. Also for this will also be included in your review packet that you will also get today.